Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit more about one of my interests, which is baking. Typically, I get a lot of my recipes from cookbooks and stuff, but obviously, there's a lot more resources on the internet, and this is one of my favorite websites for its content, and I like how it's simple layout. So, right here, we're welcomed with a really big image, and have a nice search bar along with where you could sign up to get more information. And right now, I enjoy how it has a trending section for the holidays and everything like that. And she has a blog as well. So we have the about here, and it just gives some background information about the creator. And then we're having this consistent bar up here. So I'm going to go into recipes, and I see a ton of like really well integrated images that are nice to look at, especially for the holidays. And you can get more specific on the sidebar right here, which I really enjoy, in a variety of categories. And then you can still get more specific up here. You could go in recipes, my bad, by ingredient. And you could look through a recipe box, which is really cool to see what you need and everything. Or by season, gives a lot of great suggestions. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.